What's up, y'all? It's your girl Aaliyah, your favorite North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Virginia realtor. So today, you guys know that this is my channel to help my fellow real estate agents or future real estate agents. So we're starting a new series, and it's basically for the beginning of your career, even before you even get your license. That's what this series is about. So I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but basically the beginning. I'm gonna teach you how to study for your exam, how to pass your exam on the first try, how to not pay for your pre-licensing exam if you do have to take one, depending on your state. I'm going to tell you guys about all of that different stuff. But in this video specifically, I'm going to tell you how to get your pre-licensing exam paid for so that you can save a little bit extra money. If you guys don't know, in real estate, and we're going to be moving around with this series, I'm not going to be stagnant. If you guys follow my main channel, you know that I have like a little sit down area. But for this one, we're going to be moving around early in the morning. I think it's 8:13. So I have a meeting in about 2 hours.
2020 as well. Been in the financial industry since 2012, so really excited to partner with you.
So I got to maneuver around, but still get this value out for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to tell you guys what I did and what I recommend that you do. So pretty much when I was studying, or when I was thinking about getting my license, I pretty much met this agent up here in North Carolina, where I am now. That's where I live. And even though I'm licensed in other states, that's where I live. And she told me that Keller Williams paid for pre-licensing. At the time, I wasn't set in stone whether I was gonna get my license or not. I just knew like, okay, this is an opportunity that's being presented to me, so why not? When I was talking to her, I really wanted to, I was really looking to invest more than anything. I wasn't really looking to be a real estate agent. We ended up hanging up and I ended up looking more into it. And then probably about a week later, what I did was I logged on to the Keller Williams website, or K-Score, I think it's called, and there was all the information. All I had to do was let them know that I wanted more information. What they did was they hooked me up with one of their basically like a coordinator, I would assume they were. I didn't hear from them much after I signed up with K-Score. They pretty much wanted to do a Zoom. We got on the Zoom and they gave me the code in order to start class. She gave me the code in order to do the pre-licensing, and after that I was pretty much good to go. So I would suggest that you do the same thing, because like I said earlier, you never know how much it's really going to cost, depending on your state and the different fees that they require. I would say save wherever you can, because that money will add up very quickly. And then usually you have to pay, once you get your license, you have to pay like quarterly for access to the MLS. So when you sign up for K-Score, all you're going to have to pay for is your state exam. You're not going to have to pay for the pre-licensing before you can even get approved to take the exam. So that's where I would start. Definitely go ahead and look up K-Score. I will try and find a link for you guys. That way that you can go on there and, save you a little bit of money. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much just going to go ahead and walk through this with you. When you go to find the pre-licensing or K-Score, just go ahead and type in Keller Williams K-Score. Go to the first link that you see. Then you should see like this little introduction page, and then there will be a button for you to enroll. You can go ahead and click that. And then there are sections with Keller Williams Prep, Pre-Licensing, and Continuing Education. You're going to want to click Pre-Licensing or Pre-Licensure. So after that, you're going to see a bunch of different circles. Those are pretty much the areas that K-Score is offered in. I'm going to go ahead and choose North Carolina, since that's where I am located at, and that's where I did my pre-licensing, even though, like I said throughout the video, it is online, but they're going to go ahead and connect you with the offices that, may offer the support that you need. So as you can see, there are a couple of different ones in Charlotte, which is where I am based out of. There's one in South Park. There's one in Greensville, North Carolina. And there's plenty of other ones. Just, you have to pick which one that works for you. Honestly, it's online, so it really isn't going to make a difference. But I guess if you're considering joining Keller Williams, then, it may be more beneficial to pick one where you would consider joining their brokerage. Then you're going to go ahead and fill out your information, and more than likely they're going to contact you by email and get you signed up so that you can start doing your pre-licensing. So I also thought that it was really important to go over the questions or the frequently asked questions so that I'm not leaving you guys in the dark. So it can take up to 6 months to complete your course, but you can definitely finish it sooner than that. It's based off of how quick you're gonna go. And then it also says that it's basically home study and online, and they have online courses. I only did the online portion. I didn't do any live trainings. And then Keller Williams or K-Score does not charge you anything to complete this pre-licensing. They're going to take care of it for you. I know it sounds like kind of like too good to be true, because like, why would they pay for you? But honestly, they're just trying to help you out. I think that you have to pay for your pre-licensing, because I promise you do not. Real estate for some reason is a lot of school, but all realtors pretty much think that a degree is useless. Me personally, I'm one of the very few that think that education is beneficial regardless of what field you're in, even if you're going the entrepreneur route. If you guys don't know, I actually attend North Carolina Central University as a graduate student, my MBA, and it's with a real estate concentration. So definitely make sure you guys look into the link that I'm going to provide for Keller Williams. I'm not being compensated in any way for this. So, there's nothing in this for me. I'm literally just doing this to help you guys out, and hopefully, it'll be useful for each and every single one of you. So I really appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. This is terrible lighting, but I appreciate each and every single one of you for tuning in, watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you would like. If you don't want to, that's cool. I'll see you guys next time. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.